Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today.
Hey guys, it's Aquila. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you guys to join. So for today's video, I just thought I would do like a daily vlog. I'm not really doing much. It is a pretty rainy day outside, so I doubt we're doing anything. I know we do have to go to the grocery store and go shopping, but I still have to fix my hair and I still have to make something to eat because I haven't ate anything for breakfast. I've got my outfit on. I'm just wearing this long sleeve shirt that I actually bleached, and then I'm just wearing jeans. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna put my hair up in like a ponytail or something. I'll show you guys what I'm doing with it. I'm probably not really doing much with it. But yeah, it's pretty raining outside, as you guys can see. Let me show you this. Pretty rainy. I need to like re-dye my hair again because the purple like came out. Now it's just like blonde and blue. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair like back in a little ponytail, leave some strands up here out. Since I haven't ate anything, like I said. But yeah, this is just the fit. Alright, so now I'm gonna go make my bagel. And there's the puppies. Hi, Rosie girl. Clarky boy. He's always got something to say. I'm surprised he's not talking. You don't want to talk today? You don't want to talk? Do you? Oh. Oh, now you're talking. You can't go outside. It's raining. Look, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's try to go. Look. Watch. They won't even go. Come on. Let's go. See, you don't want to go out. It's raining. So now I'm just going to go ahead and make my bagel. So we'll go ahead and do that. I think I'm just going to set you guys up right here for now. That's good. So I've actually got a new bagel. The other little seasoned bagels that we get, they didn't have any in stock. They're out of a lot of stuff. And out of Clorox wipes, and I really need some Clorox wipes. I've been using the Clorox spray to clean my counters, and I usually use Clorox wipes, so that's not good. But I'm just eating the It's Got It All Everything bagel with Asiago cheese. I don't know how you pronounce that, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set you guys right here. It still shows that I'm putting it in. And the dogs almost made me fall. And this vlog's probably going to be really short. We love that. But this vlog's probably going to be really short because I have nothing really to talk about. I just wanted to get on and vlog because I haven't really vlogged in a while. I need to get back up on my game for my daily vlogging. So yeah. And for the cream cheese, I'm just going to use the strawberry cream cheese spread. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for those to get done. And while those are getting done, I'm going to go ahead and put the dishes in the dishwasher. Love that. I'm gonna wait for the dishwasher to actually get a couple more dishes in it because it's not full. But I can't believe how rainy it is outside. Like, this is the most rain we've gotten in the whole 3 months that I've been here. Wow, look at that. Beautiful as ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then after I'm done eating, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I'm finished eating my bagel and I'm drinking some iced coffee, which I'm sad because we don't have any milk, so that's why we have to go to the store later to get some milk so I can make my own iced coffee, because now I'm drinking these nasty caramel Starbucks Frappuccinos. These things are gross. Taylor picked them out, thought they were going to be good because he got some other like white mocha flavor or something, but these are terrible. I always hated this, but I didn't think I hated it that bad. As you can see, I'm pushing through because I need my coffee, and hot coffee is just not the move right now. So yeah, I'm trying to drink this, but it's not working out very well. And I've actually been saving the bottles, recycling, because they're cute little glass bottles, and I might put some like little plants in it or something, like the little, just like a couple little stems off of a flower plant or something. But I've been using them to like put more milk in and stuff and just drink out of this instead of putting it in like another glass. But yeah, I'm not really doing much right now. It's still raining pretty good outside. I think it might not be raining too much, but it's still raining a little. But I need to clean off all this stuff on the table. I need to fold up the blankets, and I need to actually fold some laundry. So I think I might actually go in the room and fold the laundry for now. Alright, so I'm back. I let the dogs out, which I couldn't leave them out there for long or else they'll just roll around in the dirt. And I'm not trying to get the house dirty again, considering I cleaned it yesterday. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fold the laundry and like make the bed and stuff. Alright, so I just finished folding and putting up the laundry, and I was just thinking while I was putting my laundry up, because I just watched Ivy's vlog, and she was wearing a long sleeve, and she's here in Texas also, and now I'm wearing a long sleeve, and I thought she was so crazy for wearing a long sleeve because it's like warmer here. And now I'm looking crazy wearing a long sleeve. But oh well. It's okay. But I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of the guinea pigs to see what the guinea pigs are up to. They're doing pretty good. Scarlett is getting so big. Taylor held her yesterday, and you can notice that she's getting so much bigger. But their cage needs cleaned again. I'm going to clean it tomorrow for sure. This is Sophia. See, I'm Sophia. Scarlett's over there eating some hay, but she's getting so big. Scarlett! Look at her, she's getting so big. They're living their best life. They always eat their vegetables and carrots. Speaking of that, I need to give them some vegetables and carrots. Well, I need to give them some greens and some carrots today because I haven't had any yet, and she's running away. They're always scared. But yeah, I just thought I'd show a little bit of them. And like I said before, we're not really doing much today, so there's not much for me to vlog, but I did want to go ahead and vlog some so I can get a vlog out there. But yeah, we're probably just going to go to Walmart. I'm probably just going to play a little bit of Splatoon on the Switch because I've been into that lately. Crazy, I know. But yeah, I'm probably just going to play a little bit of Splatoon. And then that's probably about it. We're going to go to Walmart. We might have a movie day because it is like pretty cozy outside. It's raining. Good for coffee and movies and cappuccino and hot chocolate, whatever you want, all that. It's good for all that. But yeah, I'm probably just going to do that. Not really much more. So I'm probably just going to end the vlog here. But this was just a little inside to my day and what I'm doing and what I did do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!